Hi, this is Eric Stoddard from CARDESIGN.ACADEMY. This is the last week to register for our 3-week intensive on Automotive Interior Design, taught by our new instructor, Roman Mubarakshin, who has significant experience in the Italian and Chinese auto industry, along with significant experience teaching at IED Torino. You're going to learn a lot in his course, lots of great just sketching and Photoshop skills, and it's going to be taught live and one-on-one. You're going to get great feedback, great community discussion, and one-on-one feedback with Roman himself. So this is the last week to register. We only have a few seats left available. So visit us at www.cardesign.academy and enroll today. Thank you.